Yo, what's good, YouTubes? So, as you guys saw, we got the 300ZX started on our last update. I was just working on it off camera. So pretty much what I did, I'll show you guys. I'll try to show you guys right now, but so pretty much what I did, I had to rewire some stuff. The alternator was fucked, I guess, because so I don't know if you guys remember, but a while ago, I had said I drove this car to work one time when we had swapped in the new motor. So I had drove it to work. I parked it exactly how it is now. So I turned it off, and it sounded like the starter was spinning. Like I don't know. I can't. So it just sounded like the starter was spinning. But I think what happened was the alternator got fucking toasted by the power steering. So I changed out the alternator, the starter, got the new harness in, and yeah, it removed a shitload of excess wiring that was coming from the alternator, and it was just sticking out. So now what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if you guys saw in the last video, just a video updated of the car starting. So me and my brother, when we removed the plenum, I had done the passenger side, that fool did the driver's side. But when we turned it on, all the coolant was just flying out, which caused it to smoke. So my brother didn't connect his coolant hoses right. So I'm just gonna see if I could do that without trying to take off the plenum or by myself. So we'll do that right now, and I'll show you guys what else. Alright, so this is what the engine bay is looking like now. Still looks like shit. Alright. So I'll put a new alternator. I think this is all emissions. I don't know. I had a homie tell me that this was for a turbo, which I don't know, but the harness works. So I'm gonna hide that somewhere. I don't think I need any of it. I don't know. You guys tell me. So all those shitload of cables coming down from the alternator that were just sitting here. So I looked at them, and it was these. These were doubled. So whatever cables were out here from the alternator before, they were the same ones. They were these from the old harness, I guess. So they were just doubled, not connected to shit. Which I don't know how it turned on before. No idea how it turned on before like that. So I just removed everything, and then I disconnected, or I connected the ones. Fuck, what I did. I don't know what I did, but I got the right ones connected. I got these three to the alternator, and then on this side, you guys can see what hoses my brother did not connect. So we got that one right there that goes to this one right here, right? And then we got this fucking thicky one right here. That thicky one that goes to the one right next to it, right here, I think. So yeah, that should be a bitch. Cause that tube is hard as fuck. It's just hard as fuck to move. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot, and then hopefully turn it on, and I'll show you guys what's up. Alright, so pretty much this fucking hose I can't get. This one in the back is pretty much all the way in. This one I can't get. Look at that shit, man. Still trying, but I think I gotta remove the plenum. I'm gonna keep on trying, man, because that's the bitch. And then after that, I'm gonna get the inside cleaned up, throw away all the trash, look for some bolts for the bottom, and then see what's going on. shit's a fucking mess. Okay, right, guys, this is day 2. I was working on this shit yesterday. So how I was doing the coolant lines on this side, right here. All in is down right there. Oh, music. Bought a starter for the camera so you guys can see. I bought some more coolant, so don't worry about the coolant spilling. Que verga. What did I do with the keys? I'll grab them without cooking. Alright, so the car is dead. Oh well. So now, when I turn the key, and see if you guys can hear it, you guys can finally hear the fuel pump. Hey, look, it's looking coolant from, oil, gas. Oh, one was not connected, I forgot. Yeah, so the key works with everything now. I got half a tank gas, finally. Sheesh. It worked? What? The gas gauge, yeah. That shit moved too. I think the only one that's not working, that doesn't work, is probably gonna be the oil pressure and the speedo. The RPMs work. Yeah, so everything is working inside now. Smells like gas. Which one is spitting gas from? This one? Yeah. Yeah, so you just need that coolant line in. And then I got some coolant over there. Should be straight. We might take off the whole plenum again maybe to fit in that hose because it wasn't going in. It's too much of a tight spot. Cause you gotta get in from the side of that and then the side of this one too as well. So this is the last one we need. My gosh. Yeah, this one, I disconnected that one yesterday. But yeah, what?
There's hose right here.
What hose? What's that?
Intake.
Who cares? Yeah. Hopefully I can get the inside cleaned out. That's what I want to do. This shit is trashed. I gotta find bolts for that to go back under there. What else? New seat, new steering wheel. Then I'm just gonna piece the interior back together slowly. Post on Facebook Market, on the Z32 clubs pages on Facebook. Get some, hopefully. But yeah, let's see how it goes. All right, so we got all the hoses connected, nice and tight, flush, sick. The gas one's connected. Alright, so we're gonna give it some juice, jump it, start it, and then CK on that. Alright, so we got pretty much everything connected on it. Put the second intake hose, all the lines over there connected. We're gonna jump it, see if there's any leaks. And then we'll start cleaning that shit. We jump it real quick. Check for leaks. I got some coolant. Yeah. Alright, so we're about to give some juice. Check for leaks. Yeah? Yeah, look at that shit. Yeah. No leak. No leaks, we're golden. Yeah, we got a little belt shift from last time. Everything inside working? A little high idle. I'm not happy about that belt shift though. It might go away. Smoking over there. What is it? Probably the head's just brushing off all that dust. Yeah. It should be able to move. misfire, honestly. Might be a misfire. That shit sounds good. You saw a little valve ticky went away. Shit. You see, give us some gas? I might have to do it with fucking this shit. Open up all the way. Yeah, we'll see what's up with that right now. But yeah, it's not smoking. It just still sounds healthy. ¿Qué onda? Alright, so unfortunately we won't be able to move it today because we went to AutoZone. I bought hose clamps, I bought coolant, but I didn't buy clutch fluid and I don't want to drive over there. So this shit's on. There's a leak somewhere. I don't know if you guys hear that whistling sound. The fucking leak. So the interior is just gonna sit like that, how it is. It runs 2000 RPM. Golly. The temperature works. Yeah, that shit works. Need new exhaust for it. I think it's back here. I don't know if you guys can see on camera. But yeah, it starts now. I might need a new battery for sure. Jumping in. There you go, the valve stick went away. Golly. Healthy as can be right here. Yeah. I don't know what else to do today if it starts. I think that might do it for today. So I'm putting yesterday's video with this one. Huh? What? You can buy a new one. It sucks it up when you give it a throttle. Yeah, that's gonna be it for today. You got it started, no leak, nothing. Gave me a job. I fucked up on the clutch fluid. I'm not cleaning the inside since I can't move it. I don't want to. I can. I should. But it's smoky Joe's from the back, so I don't know what it is. I'll probably clean the inside. Bunch of trash. Shitty ass new.